Hello, my friends. What a month it has been. Am I right? I know. We had our big football day. We had all of our releases. Oh, gosh, take a minute. Woo! Well, you know what? It has been such a busy month. I'm a little concerned you might have missed one or two things. And so I like to do these overview videos. So just in case you miss them, you can make sure you put them on your wish list or you go get them now, just so you don't forget, right? Especially add them to your wish list. At least then that way you'll have them there. The first thing we started off with was our fun overall set for our Fold It Club. You guys, I know. Talk about adorable, right? Especially if you add in the t-shirt Fold It. Oh my goodness. And the button stencil, love it. Then we started the month with our Flower Wreath, which I'm telling you, I know you guys all loved the solid stamps as well. So some of you don't want to color all the time. Well, those solid stamps are calling your name, right? And look how fun that is, with love. I love it. Here's another one, Just Because. And I love that I added in that center die. So you can cut out the center or you don't have to. That is up to you. So that's what's really fun, right? We then released our horizontal stage card, folds flat for mailing, but look at how dang adorable this is. Look at this one. Absolutely adorable. Those cute little monkeys are just all over the place, hanging upside down on a card that folds into a standard envelope. Isn't that awesome? I absolutely love it. So fun. And they stand perfectly. I just love it. Then our tilted rectangles. Our tilted rectangles have been so popular. They have that fun little stitch mark on them. And whenever you think a card is missing something, throw in the tilted rectangles and you'll be done. Let me tell you. Ooh, that abstract background. Look at how gorgeous that background is. I absolutely love that background. It's so beautiful. Here's another example of it. So pretty. Then, oh, here's the words for the floral wreath. Love those words. Love making our own background paper as well. Then we had our never-ending card. Are you ready for this? Sometimes it's hard for Stephanie to do it backwards, so we're going to try to see if she can do it backwards. But look at this, how it just keeps going and going and going and going. You could go all day long. Look at this. Isn't this fun? And the best part about it is it's perfect for your scraps of pattern paper, and it's so easy to make. Did you guys totally love how easy it is to make? Now, if you were to hand cut this, even with a trimmer and a ruler and a scoring tool, it would take you forever. But with our dies, you can do this so dang fast. And we include the layering dies as well. Then, oh, the A2 reverse rectangles. Love the look of these. They just change everything about it, right? And then we also had, oh, I'm looking for it, the God bless you words, right? There's those rectangles again. Such a beautiful card front when you add those rectangles. It just changes up the whole recipe of the card, right? Ooh, then we also released our A1 cross flip it by popular request. We've had so many requests for this in the A1 version. Now we have it. Ooh, our elegant crisscross. Elegant crisscross. Now, when you make this, always make sure when you mail it to someone that you spin that inside piece over and over and over and over and over again a whole bunch of times, as much as you possibly can. So when they open it, ready? What? It spins. Isn't that awesome? I totally love that. Another good way to use your pen paper. Oh, the dream background. I know. I messed up at one time and I must have been in a dream because I forgot to add the dream. I forgot to order the dream background. Now you can get it. Ooh, we also released the extra word dies for our Merry Flip It. So now we have smile, we have other words, we have a fun layering die as well that you can add to your Flip It to make it even more versatile. We then added our mini slimline little Peep Bear, and let me just tell you, I absolutely adore her. Miller loves the stuffy that Michelle made, and you know, he always comes in here and steals all my stuffies, and he loves those little critters so much. Then, oh, 3 new creative deck shapes. What? I know. And remember that card base that we had that was limited edition for Black Friday? The circles all the way around the edges? Yes, you can now get that version in the creative decks, which is really fun. We also released our nested banner dies that make the perfect mini albums. Perfect when you just want to make a cute little mini album. Use the cinch to make the binding, and look at that. You'll be making banner books forever, right? Isn't that fun? I love that. Actually, you know what? As a matter of fact, this was Fayleen's idea to make a banner book like this. So thank you, Fayleen. Ooh, the present background makes the perfect shaker card as well. I love that you have all these pieces that you can die cut and change out and make the colors different if you want to. Finally, you asked for the A1 cross and the 5x7 flip it, and here it is. The 5x7 flip it circle is now available on our website. Then, ooh, there's another abstract background. I love it. I love it. We also finally have available the pineapple ink. That comes with the refill, the big pad, and the mini pad. Yay! And the grab bag of ribbon. 10 ribbon spools. You never know what you're going to get, but the price, what? I know. Don't worry, they're all going to be in our color palette, and you are going to fall in love. Now, we've had some people order multiples, which is okay, but just know that you'll probably get a couple duplicates, but not very many. Not very many. Ken said he has a lot of ribbon to put in these grab bags, so have fun with that and enjoy the price. I know, right? It's amazing. Now, club members, I know you know this. I'm preaching to the choir right now, right? Because club members get 15 to 20% off every single item every single day. What happens if an item's on flash sale? Guess what? Club discount on top of the flash sale. It's like you're getting all these extra discounts because, you know what? We love our club members. Our club members are like family to us, and that's what you get, the family discount. We should just call it welcome to the family, right? Because you get the family discount. Now, if you're a regular customer, that's fine too. You get our everyday low price, but club members get the family discount. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com, and guess what? I'll see you there. Bye-bye. so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.